Hello students, welcome back. In our previous session we discussed about top level of management. In our today's session we are going to discuss about middle level management and bottom level management. Let us first discuss about middle level of management. Middle level of management. In every field there is a chain which has to be followed. For example, in your school there is also an invisible chain. Suppose you have some problem in school. What will you do? You will directly go to principal office for complaining? No, right? You will complain to your teacher. And if the problem is more complex, then the teacher takes it to principal to resolve your problem. So here in this example we have seen a chain, that is principal, teacher and students. Principal as top level, teachers as middle level and students as bottom level. So the middle level is the link between top level and bottom level. Same way in the business also, middle level management is the important link between top level management and bottom level management. As we had already seen in the diagram, middle level management includes departmental officer, divisional officers and experts such as production manager, purchase manager, sales manager, marketing manager, accounts officer, etc. Therefore, this level is also known as officers level. Now let us discuss functions of middle level of management. As top level management is accountable to stakeholders, same way middle level management is accountable to top level of management. They have to follow the orders and instructions given by Chief Executive Officer, that is CEO. Budget is sanctioned by top level of management, but it is prepared by the middle level of management. The departmental heads prepare the budget according to the need of their department, and same will be presented to top level of management, and then top level of management will decide the amount to be sanctioned. Top level management frames the objectives of the business, whereas middle level management formulates the rules, policy, structure to accomplish the predetermined objectives. It is the work of middle level of management to decide the necessary method to be adopted, to analyze the work done and to take appropriate measures if necessary. It is the work of middle level of management to take necessary steps when needed to increase the efficiency and effectiveness in the activities of their respective department. We are already aware about the management deals with 6 M's: men, money, method, material, machine and market, where man is most important part to manage, because you can take work from single machine for continuous 24 hours, but same thing cannot be applied to men. So to deal with men, one needs to keep them enthusiastic and motivated. Therefore, it is the work of middle level of management to keep their men enthusiastic and motivated. There should be the coordination between different departments, such as to know the quantity to produce. The production manager needs to coordinate with sales department and marketing department so that they can understand the actual need of the customer and the scenario of the company. Therefore, middle level management has to establish coordination with different departments to accomplish the business objectives. The middle level management has to focus on the work done by the subdivisions. It is the work of middle level of management to supervise the work done by the subordinates and get detailed information about their activities and to give them directions so that the work can be done successfully according to planning done by the top level of management. It is also the work of middle level management to report the details of the work done to the top level of management. It is also work of middle level management to help the top level management in taking policy decisions, because the people those who are involved in the work can give better suggestions and can implement in more better way. Now last level is bottom level of management, whereas the bottom level management consists of supervisors, superintendent, foreman, section officer, clerk, sub-department, executive, etc. As we had already studied in the diagram that supervisors jobbers and foremen are included in the bottom level of management. This level is also known as bottom level or supervisor's level. The decision taken by the top level of management are actually implemented by the bottom level of management. Therefore, this level is also known as functional or operational level of management. Supervisor working at this level are representative of management. At this level, the work of decision making or management is less while the administration work is more. Basically, there are three names of bottom level of management, that is supervisor's level, functional level and operational level. Now let us discuss functions of bottom level of management. The important work of bottom level management is to supervise the work done by the employees or workers of the business unit. Bottom level management has to see that there should be discipline among the employees, that they follow the rules and regulations framed by the top level of management, and the morale of the employees is boosted. It is the work of bottom level to plan the daily schedule of the workers according to the condition and circumstances, to take the decision related to promotion, transfer, training, etc. is the work of bottom level of management. The instructions and decisions received from the departmental officers should be carried out to the departments and should be implemented by the workers to see that the tools and machineries are working properly. If not, repairing and maintenance work should be done on time so that workers can work smoothly. It is the work of bottom level management to fulfill the requirements of the workers and arrange the proper tools, equipments and raw materials etc. so that the work can be completed according to set target. The problems or conflicts between the workers are to be solved by the bottom level of management. To implement the policies and decisions taken by the top level of management is the work of bottom level of management. To present the reports of various activities done at bottom level, to provide suggestions and report about the complaints to the middle level of management is the work of the bottom level management. Although bottom level of management is the lowest level of management, but still it is most important, as your brain is important part of your body, but your hands and legs are equally important to implement what your brain plans. Same way, bottom level is also the important part of the management. Successful performance by this level leads to success of business, which is a support system of entire business unit. So students, I hope the concept was descriptive enough and you all understood it properly. Stay tuned, stay healthy. Thank you.